And then in common for one of the controversial topics, aging. You can aging now. Aging if started free him for. Baby porting aging started. And then what you come from me, person no can. Oh, watching the bia we be so comment session. Say ensuo egyae to epesia. De ehuni say asase ye kase na enwura nyina asase ewu. Ya na enye se bia wia na ebora no ye de ntia o. Na mom e kire say the water belt no akofom. Epesi nti ba bi na adua ne drum ne hini no ensuo ni ho eni ntina dua no hye ase eweta dua no hye ase eho. In our body we have streams of living water. Stream of living water, in other words, it has to move. Anytime as a stream of living water na reducing in level and now say a stagnant na a move biem no, that is where every problem about aging starts from. So aging is not cosmetics. It's not about applying pomade on your skin. Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Like the video and share to somebody. Let me explain. When we take our entire body, the place where aging starts from is the central nervous system. The central nervous system. The central nervous system comprises the brain and the spinal cord. Your brain and your spinal cord, no, and they make up the central nervous system. And around these two things, no, the brain and the spinal cord, no, in subi nam I have CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. And sadly way, and the genesis of aging. And it is a person uni nama ensure our skin. Then your concentration should go to CSF. CSF jumabe na edima nipa. NTI is so important when it comes to aging. CSF and removing almost toxins bina ewo adrenum efrim. Na toxin accumulating in adrenum. Kwan ben so na ema ye age betrim. So offer thyroid proteins, offer beta amyloids, offer metabolic toxins. We have other ones. All these toxin accumulation in our brain, in our system, no, SPD aging. And the only time they accumulate is when the CSF na the level no above form. On says in so etne, na sensu na area, ne tinye ni intimate ni. The water becomes stagnant when the water belt reduces. Se o sensu ni tinifa people is never kabe pona sia, intimate ni mvaso. Inti CSF na eguye mu na protect the central nervous system no. So antimi antini anye na djuma and clear certain toxins from the brain, there will be accumulation of toxins in your brain. If the brain accumulates toxins, stress ebe sha ase. Anything as what hwe ya obi nyini a na ne re fi asem. Dey anything na ne re fi asem, onya dementia. Ehim fa na dementia free. Na what say your fluidity no in terms of central nervous system no aba form. Na kwan ben so bebrebe amaka nyina kwan ben so na obe increase these levels. Say increase bebrebe we CSF level no increase bebrebe is bad, and when it's very low too is very bad. It must always be in equilibrium. CSF is 99% water. 99% water. And do not be dehydrated. Obe hydrated a boy toxins free. Makachrom say elastin and collagen. If your skin na your skin rusty. Adia emma collagen and elastin reduce stress and a dehydration. So if you are hydrated enough, when you take our blood, send cells. The plasma concentration of our blood supersedes the cells, cellular region. And it also so be hydrated all the time. And after hydration, be mobile. The entire nature has stacking bones together, 33 bones. I'm actually telling you in my previous video. There has to be movement, stream of living water. There are certain postures, there are certain exercises that a buama or spinal movie. And in the movement, a buama CSF need to be any stagnant. It can be a stagnant, CSF etaho a movie. A basa say okona nsubi tafa akwa, then a pro pampan bum, a more wutum. Now mum say soon chance a movie is always fresh. Inti say person how to stimulate the movement of the CSF. The training now, I say oh swimming. What you can say no. This particular training, you take a deep breath. Now yes, I training. Any other trainings are wow who say movie. There will be movement in the CSF. And you see me can sleep can ho sleep boa pan ma won age because during your sleep na CSF na ewo ho stream no etimi ko 90 adwen no eyi all the toxins ne nyina including the beta amyloid if you adwen no na am why fresh one nsuo so enough. Also right now to office all the time see what you tara konwan say. The only time you get up is when you are going to your car, and that place you go and sit the same way. And the gate man is doing all the movement, boss. Yes, sir, massa, yes, sir, massa, yes, sir, massa. Movement of the neck, so they are always strong. Your gate man is always doing the movement, so they are always strong. Some of these things we don't have to overlook them because we have money. Consciously try to make sure that you are making your vertebral column move, be in a moving position, so that there will be movement of the stream of living water in us. That is the CSF. My name is Yeboah Agyekum Francis. If today is your first time of watching me, me videos about health. If you follow my page, you get to know certain conditions you have. I'm a biomedical scientist and a self-taught trichologist. Nti mo am person mo grow my hair, mo grow my beard. And I'm science so operative barber shops. Nti mo am science talk barber niema, me stores that sells barber shop equipment Accra and Kumasi. So wo talk barber shop niema me ho na abeto free. E pato ya no more careful. The account now say what ade onipa no. People are now impersonating me in a lot of the platforms. So be very careful whoever you are talking to with this face. Make sure that it's the main account, Yeboah Agyekum Francis, on all socials, so that you will not get yourself into trouble. If you want to buy anything anywhere, family number, and send me a WhatsApp message, and I'll deliver to you whatever you want. God bless you.